What up, great people? It's your favorite rope guy here, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today I'll be showing you how to do the heel to toe tap with both legs. If you're new to this channel and you want to learn how to jump rope, be motivated while you work out to be fit, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. So this is one of the requests from chosen seat on my top 5 jump rope footworks for beginners, and I'll be showing you the exact way to do this move so that you can be nailing it like a boss. And because this will be a footwork, most of the time you'll be seeing my foot from time to time so you can better understand this, and I'll be giving you different direction of views. So the first thing I'd like you to do before you start nailing this move like a professional will be your foot positioning. So remember, the footwork is like so. Let me show you a side view so that you can understand. Now you have to like bounce on your toe and on your heel, on your toe, just alternating like so. Now you notice when I'm carrying out this move, when I bounce on my toe, my feet kind of move behind. Then when I bounce on my heels, it kind of moves forward. I won't advise you to use this move from time to time because it's kind of tiring and can be a stress on you, especially if you are doing or chaining a huge number of jump rope moves. So what I use this move for most of the time is to actually reduce the sweat on my face if I'm working on maybe nailing or chaining 1000 moves. So remember, you have to like jump on your toes. Let's say to transition from the boxer step or from the regular bounce to that move. So from this position, you kind of move forward, backwards. This is me doing it slowly. Let me give you a frontal view. So this is what you basically do without the rope. Then once you're comfortable with it, you can incorporate your rope. Now, why your legs are moving forward and backward is to maintain your upper body position, because you have a whole lot of weight up there, and once you move forward this way, you kind of balance so your upper body don't sway as if you're a pendulum. So that will actually give you the balance. So you have to kind of move forward, backward to maintain your upper body position. So once you can do these few things and you're comfortable with it, then you can apply or incorporate your rope. So it will look something like so. This is me doing it slowly. So if you watch my legs carefully, you notice what is happening. I'll swing forward, backwards, forward, backwards, forward, backwards. And that's how it's done. So this footwork is very, very simple. And if you do it this way, I'll show you, you'll be nailing like a professional. So remember, if you're landing on your heels, it might send a kind of vibration wave through your body to shake every part of your body. That's okay because you're resting most of your body weight on your heels. And remember, jump rope moves on your foot must always be on the balls of your feet. That's why I don't recommend you do this move frequently. Only do it when you just want to add a taste of fun to your jump rope. So I'll be showing you some of this move in slow motion and we'll be done. So to practice this, I advise you to at least do it 3 times a week, minimum or maximum, so you don't end up with shin splints, especially as a beginner. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, turn on notification, share with your friends so you don't miss out on our lovely content. And until next time guys, remain beautiful, handsome, be fit, and most importantly, stay healthy. Take care of yourself guys. Enjoy.